So in this video, you'll learn how to remove the media page on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 or A56. So if you're currently swiping right all the time by mistake and you notice that a media page always appears and you want to get rid of it, then it's very simple. Simply start by opening the Settings app and then choose the option Home Screen. Under Home Screen, scroll down until you find Add Media Page to Home Screen. So just tap on the to go like that to remove it. Now you'll notice that whenever you accidentally swipe, you can no longer access the media page on your device. Alternatively, you can always just access the home screen editor to disable this feature. So long press on an empty space on your home screen, and then from here, swipe until you find the page for the media page, and then just tap on the very toggle at the top like this to disable it. When it grays out completely so that it's faded into the background, it will then be successfully turned off. So now whenever you go back to the home screen, so just tap on your home screen like that, you'll notice that even if you swipe right, you'll never be able to access the media page until you go ahead and re-enable this feature on your phone. And so that's how you can remove or disable the media page on your device. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.